Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you an application which you can use to make some extra money from your home or your office. All it requires is a decent computer and an internet connection. So what this app does, it uses your computer resources like your GPU and your CPU to mine cryptocurrencies. This application is completely safe and user-friendly, so with just a few clicks you can get started. So open up your browser and you're gonna search for freedom.tm. Go at this website and click on join us now. It will prompt you and to choose an account from your Google services. I have already done it, so I'm just gonna click on sign in. From here you're gonna go to, after you have signed up on this application, so Freedom, you go to here, Earn More tab, and click on Crypto Miner. Here you can see download CryptoMiner Windows 64-bit, the download CryptoMiner Linux 64-bit. So in this case I'm using a Windows OS, so I'm gonna click on here Windows, wait for it to download. Just a few seconds, it's only 38 megabytes. Do not close yet this tab, you're gonna need it. Just wait for it to download. Double click on it. In just a few seconds the application is gonna get installed. It's pretty easy to use. You're not gonna have difficulties using the application. So after it is installed, as you can see here, you need to log in or sign in with your Google account here that you used to sign in your Freedom account. So after you have done that, you can see here a verify payment button. So with that button, you can verify that you're able to receive money through your PayPal account. So now you can ask, but where do I give my PayPal account? That's where you go to that website you went earlier. You click on earnings, and here you can click on you can add your payment details. Like you can set your payments through PayPal or through other methods, but I used PayPal in my case. As you can see, they sent a verify payment from $0.01, so that it just verifies that you're able to receive money to your PayPal account. So after you have done that, you with just this button you can start mining daily. So as you can see, I have benchmarked my computer and I'm able to receive 0.32 bucks per day. It's not too much, but hey, it's free money, right? So this method has a few down costs, of course. It's gonna downgrade your computer over time, so like your GPU and your CPU lifetime can decrease, and of course your power bills are gonna get a little bit higher. So yeah, there's that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.